In this tutorial, I'll show you how to copy shared Google Drive files and folders to my drive. By the end, you'll have your own copies of shared files and the contents of shared folders saved in your My Drive, so you can manage them independently without changing the originals. First, let's copy individual shared files to My Drive. In Google Drive, click Shared with Me on the left. This is where files others shared with you appear. Find the file you want to copy, then right-click it. From the menu, click Make a Copy. Drive creates a new file called copy of that you own. Now move the copy to My Drive. Right-click the new copy, click Move to, choose My Drive, and click Move. The file is now safely in your My Drive under your ownership, and the shared original remains unchanged. Next, let's handle shared folders. There's no direct copy option for an entire shared folder, so we'll copy its contents instead. Open the shared folder by clicking its name. Inside the folder, select All Files. On Windows and Linux, press Ctrl+A. On a Mac, use Command+A. You should see everything highlighted. Right-click anywhere on the selection and click Make a Copy. Drive creates new items named Copy of for each selected file owned by you. These copies are separate from the shared folder, so the original files and permissions are not affected. Now, move the copied files to your folder. With the newly created copy selected, right-click and choose Move to. In the panel that opens, pick your target folder in your drive, then click Move. If you already have a specific folder where you want these files to live, select it here. The files are now in your folder, and you can organize, rename, or edit them without impacting the shared versions. At this point, your individual shared files are copied to My Drive, and the contents of any shared folder you open have been duplicated and moved to your folder. You now own these copies, and they're independent from the originals. Your setup is complete and working. For more step-by-step tutorials like this, subscribe and check out the other guides available on the channel.